Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We are the Cyber Explorers and I am James S. Lopez.
Diana Alam.
I am Nurr Asamao.
I am Sohair Mangurun.
I am Jeffrey Antopuesto.
And I am Viahtress Rejas.
We're going to talk about and explain the CPU or the Central Processing Unit, how it performs tasks and more. We are going to elaborate it, so let's begin. A CPU or a Central Processing Unit. It is the primary component of a computer that performs most of the processing and calculations necessary for it to function. It acts as the brain of the computer, executing instructions from software programs, managing data processing tasks. CPU comes in various types and speed, and they play a crucial role in determining a computer's performance.
Here's a simplified explanation of how a CPU performs attacks. First, fetch. The CPU retrieves instructions from the computer's memory or the RAM in one at the time. These instructions are represented as binary code.
Second is decode. It decodes the binary instruction into a form it can understand. This step determines what operation needs to be performed.
The third is execute. The CPU executes the decoded instruction by performing the necessary calculation or data manipulation. This code involves arithmetic operation, logical comparison, or other tasks.
The fourth one is store. If the instruction modifies data, the CPU will write the result back to memory or other relevant registers.
The last one is repeat. The CPU repeats this fetch, decode, execute cycle for each instruction in the program, one after the other, until the task is complete.
Modern CPUs are incredibly fast and efficient, capable of executing billions of instructions per second. They can also perform multiple tasks simultaneously through techniques like pipelining and multi-core processing, which further enhance their performance.
In summary, a CPU performs tasks by fetching, decoding and executing instructions stored in memory, enabling it carry out a wide range of computational operations that power the functionality of computers and electronic devices.
Certainly, here are some advantage and disadvantage of a CPU, Central Processing Unit. The advantage are, first, speed. CPUs are designed for high-speed processing, making them suitable for rapid calculations and data manipulations.
Second is the versatility. CPUs can execute a wide range of tasks and instructions, making the central component of most computing devices.
Third one is multitasking. Modern CPUs support multitasking, allow them to handle multiple tasks simultaneously through time sharing.
Fourth is control. CPU control the operation of other hardware components, ensuring efficient coordination.
There are disadvantages and advantages of CPU. So disadvantages, the first is limited parallel processing. Traditional CPUs may struggle with highly parallel tasks compared to specialized hardware like GPUs.
Second is heat generation. CPUs can generate a significant amount of heat, requiring cooling solutions to prevent overheating.
Third is physical size. As technology advances, CPU have become more smaller, but space constraints can still be an issue in some devices.
Fourth is cost. High-performance CPUs can be expensive, which can impact the overall cost of computing devices.
The fifth is performance bottlenecks. In some cases, the CPU can become a bottleneck, slowing down the overall system if it can't keep up with the other components' speeds.
It's important to note that the advancements in CPU technology continuously address some of these disadvantages while enhancing their advantages. Specialized CPUs, like those used in servers or gaming PCs, have unique characteristics to meet specific demands. The arithmetic and logical unit, also known as ALU, is a crucial component of a central processing unit, or the CPU, in a computer. It is responsible for performing arithmetic and logical operations on data. Here's a brief overview of its function. First, arithmetic operations. The ALU can perform basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division on binary numbers. It can also handle more complex operations such as square roots, and exponentiation through a series of similar operations.
In summary, the ALU plays a critical role in executing the instructions of a CPU, performing the necessary calculations and logical operations to process data and execute programs.
The arithmetic unit, also known as ALU, and the logical unit, also known as LU, are two key components of a CPU central processing unit that work together to perform a various operations. Here are the main difference and similarities between them. The differences: number 1, function. Arithmetic unit, also known as ALU, the ALU is responsible for performing actions like arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Logical unit, also known as LU. The LU handles logical operations like AND, OR, NOT, and XOR, which are essential for decision making and data manipulation.
Second is operation types. ALU deals with numerical calculations and operates in numerical data. LU deals with binary data and performance operations based on binary values, zeros and ones. Third is output. ALU produces results in numerical form, providing answers to mathematical computations. LU produces results in binary form, often used for making decisions or comparisons. Similarities. First, both ALU and LU are components within the CPU and they work together to execute instructions from a computer program. Second, they are part of the CPU's data path, where data is processed and manipulated during program execution. Third, both units play crucial roles in the execution of instructions and the overall functioning of the CPU.
In summary, the primary difference between the ALU and the LU is in the types of operations they perform, and the nature of data they work with. The ALU handles arithmetic operations on numeric data, while the LU handles logical operations on binary data. However, both units are essential for the CPU to perform a wide range of tasks in computing. So that is all you need to know about the CPU, or the Central Processing Unit. Don't forget to leave a like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you. Peace out.